In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom liquid section in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place a custom liquid block anywhere on your store, and how to tweak its styling so it fits perfectly with your theme. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will open a page showing a list of your themes. At the very top, you'll see your current theme. Next to it, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, which is where we'll be working for the rest of this process. Inside the theme editor, you'll notice a page selector at the very top of the screen, usually set to the home page by default. Click on that drop-down and choose the specific page where you want to add your custom liquid section. This might be a product page, a collection page, or another template you've set up. Taking a moment here to pick the right page is important, because each page can have its own layout and sections. Once you're on your chosen page, look at the left panel. This is where Shopify lists all of the sections and blocks that make up the current page layout. Scroll through this list to get a sense of what's already there. This will help you decide exactly where you want to place your custom liquid content. Now decide whether you want your custom liquid to sit in the header, the footer, or somewhere within the main template content. When you've decided, click either Add Section or Add Block, depending on what's available in that area. A pop-up will appear showing different types of content you can add. Scroll through or use the search bar to find custom liquid, then click it. Once it's added, you can drag and drop it up or down in the left panel to rearrange its position until it sits exactly where you want it on the page. To start editing, click on the custom liquid item in the left panel. This opens the settings for that section or block. Here you'll see a text box where you can paste or write your liquid code or HTML. Below that, you can usually choose a color scheme, toggle between page width or full width, and adjust the top and bottom padding so there's the right amount of space around your content. There's also an area to add custom CSS if you want more advanced styling and already know a bit of code. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Give the page a moment to update, then preview your store to make sure the custom liquid section appears exactly as you intended.